guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Cheryl, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of those things, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a handbag unboxing. So thank you Babylon Bags for sponsoring today's video. I have all the information and details listed down in the description box below, so please do check them out. I have a few of their handbags. The quality is immaculate and the shipping is super quick. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I am dressed today. I'm just going to go out and have a quick little day date. The weather I think is going to be in the 50s today. It's really been tripping. Like one day it was 75, 80 degrees. The very next day it snowed. Crazy. Insanity. But today seems to be pretty nice, maybe like in the mid 50s. So we're just gonna go out and have a little day date. I have on this jumpsuit from Target. Bought this probably a couple of years ago, and y'all, this jumpsuit is a size 4. Now granted, when I bought it last year or 2 years ago, it still was like a little big on me. It's fitting your girl to the T right now, but still it's a size 4. I have not been in a size 4 in over 12 years. That's crazy to me. I don't want to be a size 4, but to be able to get inside of this jumpsuit is a little bit insane to me. So I'm wearing this. I like that it's like that black jean material, so it's not your traditional I'm always wearing the blue denim. It gives me another take on a denim look, so I love that it's in this all black. Because of the handbag that we're going to take today, I do want to wear some heels, but not too dressy. I may either wear my black Valentino heels or may throw on these black mesh heels from Amazon. I am not quite sure yet. We will decide that when we get to it. And of course I need to put on all of my jewelry as well. I recurled my hair. I don't know how my stylist is going to get this hair off of my head. I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the actual point of this video. And it is, of course, your girl right here. It comes in a brown box, nicely wrapped and packaged, so the product is going to arrive to you safely without any dings, dents, or anything like that. You will get a box. This is a snap closure box. Open it up. I've already opened this and wrapped it, but you get the tissue paper inside of it. So let's pull that out. I wanted to keep it nice and cute at least for you guys. So take off the tissue paper. It comes with its own dust bag. And so here is the dust bag. And when you pull it out, this is the cutie that they sent me. I believe this is the Chanel Coco handle, the small size, and of course they have a bigger medium size. But I was looking for a small black top handle bag that I could take with me, like on occasions today, a date or even a date or something like that. So I just thought that this was so cute. I also have it in this really pretty gray color. It's gonna be perfect for the spring and summer. In the classic black, this one has the gold hardware. They do gold hardware so well. It is so pretty. It's like that champagne color gold, so it's not going to be too orangey or too dark. It's just the perfect shade of gold. You are able to wear this bag as a crossbody bag, so you have these little clamps right here that you could attach the strap to it. You have a little pocket here in the back that you can slide like a debit card in, a credit card, something like that. I rarely ever use the back pocket of my bags just because I don't want to stretch them out. And you also have the gold feet on the bottom. I love a bag that comes with the feet on the bottom, just so that you can protect the leather on the bottom of the bag when you're like placing it down on the table if it's wet or something like that. So you have your little twist lock and you turn it like this. Open it up. This is what it looks like on the inside. You have that beautiful classic burgundy interior on the inside. You have a zipper pocket. You have a little thin slip pocket here in the middle that kind of divides the two sections on the inside of the bag. You can have a larger compartment in the front and a smaller compartment in the back. So plenty enough room to carry everything that you're going to need for, you know, the day or the evening. And like I said, it is a crossbody bag as well. So it's going to come with a crossbody strap with the same pretty champagne gold hardware. Then you have the little black leather strap right here that's going to keep it secure on your shoulder, so it's not going to do a lot of sliding down if it were like just a regular chain. And then this is what the clasp looks like. They connect to either side of the little clamps. So let's put this together. So I've added the crossbody strap to it. Let's just twist it closed, and then you can wear it like a little shoulder bag here on the shoulder. You could wear it as a crossbody bag. Still has a really good length to it. So I love how this looks as a crossbody bag as well. And then of course you could wear it as a top handle bag. You can have your strap hanging down like this, or you can remove the strap and just have a true top handle bag. I really love the way that this bag looks. I love how it wears. You can pair this with any look that you're going for. If you're going to do a super dressy, elegant, elevated look, you can wear this bag. If you're doing something casual and dressed down like what I'm wearing today, you can still wear this bag. This bag is classic, it's versatile, it can go with any style for any occasion. So make sure you are wearing all of your bags for any occasion. You do not need to save them for special occasions, girl. Just wear the bag. So that is going to wrap up this little bag review that I received from Babylon Bags. I will leave again all the information down in the description box below, including a discount code if you wanted to get a little bit off of your purchase. So thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. A little bit of oxygen.